This is Huawei P40 of 2020, the first flagship phone of Huawei that doesn't have a Google services. Underrated but still amazing. Quick specs muna tayo. 6.1 inches 1080p OLED display with under-display fingerprint sensor running EMUI 12.0 that can be upgraded to Harmony OS 4.0. Also comes with high silicon Kirin 990 that used on Mate 30 Pro series. Kumbaga, mauuna muna si Mate series sa chipset na gagamitin naman ni P series in the next year. Sa camera naman, 32MP wide-angle front camera with IRTOF 3D for secured face unlock and 50 plus 8 plus 16 triple camera setup na magaganda pa rin ang kuha hanggang ngayon. At alam mo ba na ang Huawei devices ang isa sa mga solid ang cameras at last year nga na-recognize si Mate 50 Pro bilang best camera phone of 2022 at ngayong 2023 ang Huawei P60 Pro naman ang leading. Solid din ang 3800 mAh battery ng Huawei P40 dahil siguro maliit lang ang screen at the same time napaka battery friendly ng operating system nito. For me, sayang ang Huawei phones. Feeling ko natakot lang din ang competition sa rising success ng Huawei devices globally. At hindi hadlang ang pagkawala ng Google services para hindi i-appreciate ang ganda nito. Dahil nagtutulungan ng company developers at avid fan users ng Huawei para ma-provide pa rin ang requested apps at Google Apps kahit third party lang. Salamat sa panonood and follow me for more videos.